Hey, thanks for shopping with Lego. Would you like to sign up for the new Lego magazine? For the most part, it's a lot of ads.
Oh, no thank you. We'll just buy the Krusty Burger set, please.
Yeah, personally, I'd rather have a Family Guy set.
Oh, you just changed the way you look.
Alright. My bad, I forgot who I was there for a second. Have a great day, folks.
Hey, look, they even have a Toothless set. I can't wait to get the instructions and find out how to build a dragon.
I'm going to buy the new Hogsmeade set.
Wait a moment, Harry. Let me use my rewards card. That way Gryffindor can get 400 LEGO VIP points.